Quiet on set! Shut the fuck up, Harry.
Harry? Your name's Max.
No, Harry's making noise over there.
Oh. Oh god. Camera slang.
Camera slay. Can we
Camera
have a
slay.
full scene as well?
Slay, camera, go,
Ken, you
pussy
can
pop.
probably put that.
Where the hell is the Brian? Sorry, that's my fault. I've lost my voice.
Sorry, me too, bestie. I've got straps on somewhere.
How was that anyway? The tracking?
The tracking wasn't. Oh shit, I'm recording. Sorry, go for it, go for it, go for it. Come on, Max.
I didn't know, I thought we'd finished.
Max, you have one job every single time and you never get it right.
Hold it. Carry on.
Hi, Max.
Missed it, it was
my-
so
That
good.
works.
It's gonna
Yeah,
work,
that
it's gonna
works
work, it's
really
gonna work.
good.
Where the hell is it, Brian? That was my fault. Sorry.
That's fine. Trace reset.
Action. Action.
Oh, it was so good, man.
Door.
Like the eyeliner. It's actually.
Oh, your work looks good, does it? It's for the date.
Wait, reset. That's
What
alright.
did you do like that? Oh no, I'm in a sassy.
Love it too. This one's for you. And action. Oh, I'm looking at the camera. That's right, yeah. And cut. Wait, just you. So.
Wait, just give me a second. Oh my god.
Don't trip, Dan. Jeez. 15, take 2.
Hey, besties! Slay queen!
Can you move, please?
We got it! Yeah, thanks! Yes, bro!
Yeah, that is really handy.
Guys, I'm not being funny, my arm's really hurting, so can we keep going?
Right, first, yeah.
So then,
Don't
Shot.
speak to your director like that.
Sorry. Yeah, there's good. Okay, let's run that again.
Oh, there's a book! My guy, you alright?
take that. Shot 4, take 1.
Wait, actually, wait, cut, sorry.
Rolling. Sure.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit!
Quiet on set, please. And cut.
Lovely. Does that work?
Yeah, that's fine.
This is so weird. Oh, I have what? Oh, fuck my life. Right, left, centre.
Am I moving with you?
Jewellery. That was shit.
Oh, hi. Anything else?
Jewellery. Oh, thank you. The back plate stuff. You get what I mean? Oh, perfect. I'll give the back plate to you. Thank you. For you.
Wait, did you get the any shot? Like this. Oh my god, just cut. Cut, please.
Oh no! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Harry is the best.
So,
Hi guys. Well,
what do you have to say?
all I want to
have to
say is
stand
thank
for
you
this.
to everyone watching the show.
And,
it means a lot. I want to say thank you to our fans.
Without you guys, we wouldn't be here.
And the
filming
Philippoa,
second
which is
season.
upstairs by the bin.
So don't forget to vote for our Teen Choice Award. And I love you all.
Yeah, man. So what do you have to say, Harry?
Go
Derek,
watch
no?
Pretty Bird.
Go watch Free Bird.
What the fuck?